Hello guys, I'm Carrie. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share all my speaking templates. The speaking part in TOEFL is very difficult since you have less than 30 seconds to prepare for answers. You need to speak fluently and react quickly. So being familiar with question types and using templates are the keys to get a high score. Let me show you my easy templates according to different types of questions. Here are all speaking question types and their preparation and answer time. No reading and listening in question 1, so its preparation and answer time is the shortest. And there's only listening in question 4, so its preparation time is in the middle, but its answer times are the same as question 2 and 3. Question 1 is an independent task, no reading and listening. You will choose whether to agree or disagree with the statement or pick between two different opinions. Pick one side and come up with 2 reasons and examples immediately. Use fictional stories as your examples. This is my template for question 1. The structure is opinion plus reasons plus examples. State your opinion first, like I prefer or I agree with, then give reasons and examples. Always prepare 2 reasons and 2 examples. After giving 1 reason, provide examples immediately. Examples could be real or fictional stories. If you watch my other videos about writing, you will find out question 1's template is very similar to independent writing. Once you understand the structure, it's easy to memorize it. I make a specific video about how to come up with 2 reasons quickly for question 1. Check out the link in the description below later. Question 2, campus announcement, is an integrated task. Read a short article and listen to audio first. The topics are always about campus announcement, like campus closure, parking lot issues, and so on. Then in the listening, a man and a woman discuss how they feel about this decision. For example, the man supports the decision while the woman disagrees with him. Here's the template for question 2. No need to talk about your personal opinion for integrated task. Focus on the opinions in reading and listening. The structure of question 2's template is reading opinion plus listening opinions plus listening reasons. Only use 1 sentence to summarize the reading opinion. Don't give too much details so that you could leave more time for the listening part. Pay attention to the question. It will only ask you one of the speaker's opinions. And there are usually 2 reasons and examples following the opinion. Very similar to question 1's template. Question 3, general to specific, is an integrated task like question 2, but it's about academic lecture. The reading is about a general academic concept and its classification. Then in the listening, a lecturer will give examples to illustrate them. The question will ask you how examples from listening illustrate the concept from reading. So the most difficult part is to connect the points in reading and listening accordingly. This is question 3's template. The structure is concept and classification in reading, plus listening opinion, plus listening examples, plus connection. First, summarize the definition and classification from the reading passage. Then use the transition sentence to connect the points from reading and listening, because question 3 asks you how they connect it. Remember to use the word illustrate. Then talk about the examples from the listening and explain them. This is because it's a very powerful phrase to show that you understand the relationship between points from reading and listening. Question 4, academic lecture, is an integrated task only with listening. It's more difficult than the previous questions since you don't have hints from reading. If you don't understand the listening, you won't be able to answer the questions. Practice more on listening. The lecturer will tell you academic concepts and explain them by examples. Here's the template for question 4. The structure is listening concept plus listening examples plus listening details. It's very similar to the previous templates. First, introduce the lecture subject and its detail. Next, use a transition sentence to tell how many examples in the listening. The speaker will give 1 or 2 examples, then tell the examples and their details. Very easy to use. The structures of these templates are super simple. I provided the link for PDF in the description below. How to use the templates and get a high score. Please subscribe and share my videos. Don't forget to hit the bell button. Thank you for watching. See ya.